Welcome to today's mathematics class. Today's class, we are going to provide solution to this Olympiad mathematics challenge. It's a very simple question. Don't get it twisted, okay? We have the question as this. It says, if x and y are integers, what is the value of y? Given that x minus y plus 2 all squared plus x plus y plus 8 all squared equal to 0. Solution, let's go. The first thing you must understand, what are integers? Integers are positive and negative values, okay? Positive and negative numbers, including 0. So those values are integers. Before we can be able to solve this question, we're having x minus y plus 2 all squared, then plus x plus y plus 8 all squared equal to 0. Don't waste time by opening the bracket, okay? Do not expand. So expanding this bracket will make the work rigorous for you. Before we solve this question, you must understand the properties of squares. What are the properties of squares? Number one thing you need to understand about squares: any number squared is always greater than or equal to 0. That is to say, a squared is always greater than or equal to 0. Take note of this. Okay. So if two numbers are squared here, look at this one squared added together gives us 0. So what does this simply mean? So the only way this sum can be exactly 0 is if both terms are exactly equal to 0. In this question, now look at it very well. So for this one to give us the right hand side is that the whole of this one here, the first term must be 0, and the second term also be 0. So it will be exactly 0. So 0 square plus 0 square will give us 0. So therefore, we are going to equate the first term to 0, x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. We can call this one equation 1. Then x plus y plus 8 equal to what? 0. You can call this one equation 2. So here we can solve this system of equations now simultaneously. Let us use the elimination method. So this one is already having negative sign here. We just add. We have 2x. Then y is gone. First of all, although we are looking for y, I'm going to solve for y later, okay? Now y is gone already. We're having this plus this one is 10. That's 10 equal to 0. Now we can transpose 10 to the right hand side. We have 2x equal to negative 10. Here, divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. Then we have what? X equal to negative 5, okay? Negative 5. Now we can solve for y now. Choose any of the equations. Let's choose equation 1. I can say from equation 1, we have x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So in place of x, put negative 5. Negative 5, then minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So just take y to the other side. So you can have minus 5 plus 2 equal to y. So this will now imply that what? Y equal to negative 3. So negative 3 is our answer. But if you don't want to go this far, what you just need to do here, should I just use the subtraction? If you use subtraction, we can just get the value for y here. Let's just go. Since we're having x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, we're having x plus y plus 8 equal to 0. Since we are solving for y, just get rid of x, take negative. This minus this gives us gone. This will now give you minus 2y. This one, 2 minus 8 gives you what? Minus 6. Then equal to 0. So we can have minus 2y equal to 6. So divide both sides by negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 2. So that we can have here. So y is equal to negative 3. So this one is just straightforward, okay? So without passing through what I did earlier, just have to just follow this step without wasting time, right? I hope you enjoyed this solution. If that is true, please help us to share this post so we can reach out to greater number of students on this platform. Bye.